You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this company that owns quite a lot of many social media, Facebook, Instagram, pronounced as Meta. That's British English pronunciation. I know a lot of people don't pronounce it that way. The US pronunciation is as Meta. Meta with a flap T that sounds like a D. So two different pronunciations in English, Meta or Meta. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.